forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video and another Vlogmas.
Good, manners and prayers, give thanks to life.
Guys, as you can see, it is dark outside. Dark. So we are actually on our way to a job. We're working today. It's minutes to 6, 5 to 6, still dark outside. We're on our way to Kingston today and we're actually going to the Blue Mountains, which I'm really excited about. So hopefully once we get up there we can vlog and show you what's going on up there. This is actually my first time to the Blue Mountains, so I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, it's work. We're actually working. Good. So yeah, early morning start, guys. So you know, we'll take you with us and let you know what's going on. So we'll catch up with you a little bit later.
Yes, we baby, one with the faith. Answer God is great.
We're on the highway. What's this, Edward Tiaga Highway.
South Coast Highway. What they give him Edward Tiaga?
North Coast Highway.
North Coast Highway.
North Coast Highway, aka Edward Tiaga Highway. You can take this all the way straight into Kingston. Yeah. How much is it from Ochi straight into Kingston? $1,600. $1,600. You have to pay the toll. You can't just come on the highway for free. Yeah, you have to pay a toll to come to use the highway, depending on where you're coming off. But into Kingston, $1,600 from Ochi into Kingston, K-Manners.
So we're doing it.
How foggy it is. You can see. It's just white.
You're not seeing any of the mountains right now.
No, just
straight fog.
Well, yeah, just the top. Just the top. Yeah.
In front of you, mountain that's in front of you yesterday right now. You can't see it, you know.
Foggy.
Yeah.
Foggy area.
Yeah. So the area look early morning time, you know.
Yes, we are in Kingston now, Red Hills Road. See the houses on the hill. Yeah, Red Hills Road.
Good.
Kingston.
You know what thing early? So Red Hills Road look early morning time.
We always say that, early morning time.
What is some is around the studio, you know? You tell about it?
Where?
In a building there. Exodus Studio.
Oh, Exodus Studios there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, a bit of history right there.
Yeah, that's it. I'm a friend of garage at Bolo.
Oh. So where's this Newcastle JDF?
Yeah. There's a training going on. So the younger ones in.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
Yeah, man. That's old.
Wow. Nice. Oh, that's what.
Anybody get in trouble? Just tell me. You're gonna bust me gun for you. Bust me gun for you.
Oh, too bad. Wow.
Beautiful.
So we're on the border of Portland now.
So,
okay.
yeah, we're in Portland now. The other side of Portland.
Yeah.
Mountain View now, them view here.
No. Mountain View too low.
Low. Good low. See you now going nowhere.
Yes, people, we are in the Blue Mountains. Have a look around. We passed some great views on the way. Trying to get the mountains, bit of the mountains behind me.
Yeah.
But guys, as we go up, we're going to show you some of the fantastic views. And obviously we're up high up, so it's very windy up here. Breezy. Look, can you see? Breezy.
Yeah,
but we can't see you.
And you're here.
We can't see you. It's on me. have to wait. You know it's on me.
Man, just sometimes. Right, she just dashed me out the way. Try to illustrate something all like what. Illustration wasn't good at all.
Hear him. So guys, we came up here and we knew that they've got a new bistro that sells a lot of coffee. Obviously we're in Blue Mountains. Blue Mountains is known for its coffee. The bistro, the coffee place here is not open. Only open on the weekends. So disappointed.
Mad.
We really want to come and try the coffee. But yeah, so let me show you guys what's going on. So we're at Hollywell and they have different trails here. So you've got, this is a hiking place. If you want like walking or hiking, this is the place. They've got easy hikes for people like me. So some of them are like 10 minutes. Some of them are 1 hour. Some of them are moderate, easy.
Yeah. So right now we are here.
We're here.
Yeah.
So hold on, where's the trails? Oh, here they are. So discovering the Blue and John Crow Mountain Trail System. So we're in the Blue and John Crow Mountains. And we're also on the border of Portland.
Yeah.
Right on the border of Portland.
Yeah. We're actually in Portland
We're
right
actually
now.
in Portland,
Yeah.
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 So we've got Oatley Mountain Trail, Waterfall, Shelter, Blue Maho Trail, Wag Water Trail. I want the easiest, see people, can you see this one? Long, difficulty,
Yeah.
much elevation gain. I don't need that. I need something that's very easy.
Yeah.
And
like a 10 minutes down the road and come back, something like that.
Oh, 1.2 kilometers,
Yeah.
1.3.
Nah, these
6.
things.
I need this one, the Shelter Trail, that's the very easy one.
Something
This is
like that.
one-way trail is perfect for the visitor who wants a short romantic stroll through. We need a short romantic stroll, don't we, babes? You will see, I don't know how to say that, bromeliads and ferns along the way, and a beautiful view of Buff Bay, Pencar watershed when you
around here.
visit. Yeah. Oh, you can camp here, guys. There's camping. You can camp here. There are cabins here that you can stay in as well. Oh yeah, there's lots of different trails you can do. Lots of things you can do. So, all right, we're gonna try the Shelter Trail then. That one, yeah. And then these are some of the birds that you can see. Nature. Jamaican toddy. What did you say you call this bird here?
Robin Redbreast.
Robin Redbreast.
Yes, original thing that.
Blue Mahoy.
We used to call them the one a sparrow. But they have them name, but we call, you know,
Yeah.
Jamaican give birds name, give our style or something.
Your own name then.
Yes, we could have name them myself or things. What is the name again? Arcade? I think this is Arcade, you know. What is it?
Well, it's called Broomlight.
Broomlight, something like that. Some layered something. You know what's the good light? And all these things.
Alright, so let's see where it is. Let's see where we've got to start from, love.
Yes, I'm from.
This is the coffee place. Blues Brews Bistro.
Yeah.
We've got outside seating.
This is it.
But unfortunately it's closed. Only opens on a weekend. Which is a shame. We were saving ourselves for this, weren't we?
You think we're going to see some coffee in them something?
Oh, in the barrel.
I was looking for coffee
It's
inside
just
here, but
decoration. But we're
different
going
thing
to try
to
and
see.
walk and see if we can find some views.
This coffee says we're not.
Oh my gosh, as we get closer down, you see a beautiful view here.
Look there. Look like that.
I'm going to go down and I'm going to zoom in. Whew.
Come.
Make sure you come with good shoes. Make sure you come with your sneakers, trainers. Yeah,
Atmosphere. Skies are blue.
yes. So let me just see if I can zoom in right here. So what are we seeing now? Where is that? Is that Kingston or is that just in the mountains? We passed Kingston. Oh, we got a view of Kingston on the way, didn't we?
Yeah, man. Keep on
Oh,
over.
yeah.
Alright, up on the hill.
Uh-huh.
Obviously back on like red hills and them up the side
Okay.
there. Yeah, over the side there. And those up on the flat.
Yeah.
Kingston down there so.
Yeah.
Portmore the cross or so.
Okay.
So up so back on it. You can come off a ferry away. Up on the hillside.
Yeah.
I hope that's that.
Guys, I make this joke, right? Let me turn the camera. Guys, I make this joke that in Jamaica, that when they're telling you where places are, as demonstrated by Outlaw, they don't say to the left is Portmore, to the right is such and such. They say up, sir, down, sir,
Over,
round, sir, over, sir.
Yeah, man.
No proper directions, just
Unless you can't see.
yeah, but you know, to
point,
the left
over
is
so, over so, round so,
up, sir,
down the
down,
so.
sir. Typical.
Yes, we're not straight from our point, maybe people. We're not straight from our point. Yeah, it's low, so we must steer over there.
That's very true.
Piang, piang, and all them
That
something.
is true.
Yeah,
That's true.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. I'll give
mud
you that.
and dirty, and them something. But Miss Lou, so if we stick to something.
All right,
So
we're
around
going
the
to follow
middle.
Miss Lou then, all
You
right?
can't run off from Miss Lou.
Alright. Okay guys, we're going to try this trail, Wag Water Trail. We're hopping and popping already. We haven't even started anything yet. But we're going to do this trail here. I must say guys, it feels so good to be out and about, like out in nature, outside. with the trees and the vegetation and
the breeze
yeah.
is cool.
Woo. And the breeze is good. This is a narrow trail though, isn't it?
You know that?
Look how narrow it is.
But the cars come back when I make sure cars catch some breeze and carry back. Some plastic back.
Oh look, there's a camping place over there.
Yeah, camping and stuff.
You can come and camp up here.
I like a camping. I like when I when I ground here.
But that's camping, babes. He doesn't like it on the ground.
So
You hear him? He doesn't like those camps.
no, what's that?
Camping because it's on the ground.
Yeah,
But you camp on the ground. This is a narrow trail, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why couldn't I find a broader one?
Yeah, up top.
That's our way to go.
That's from up top.
And from here you can see the views as well, in between the trees. Just one. It's just one way.
See what's it?
I think so.
I can't do that.
Trail Wagwater. You see these people? They got the backpack and they got walking stick thing. We don't have any of that.
No, we can't sleep right now. So just chill them something and walk with it.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
So it looks like in front is one of the cabins that you can rent out, hire out, and you can stay in the cabin. So there's one of the cabins, and from here you can actually drive in. You don't have to obviously walk. There's a road there. You can drive in.
Yeah. Really neat to drive into them, but I feel like I'm on a pretty smooth road now.
No, pretty smooth road.
The original road you're supposed to get, historical road. A few bumpy around here, and all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can enjoy a night stay or two in the cabin there. So as you go through the trail, every few like stops or so, if you find one of these that tells you about the tree. This is milkwood. This tree is endemic to Jamaica. Yeah.
If you cut it, you see it bleed. Milk.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, milk or something.
Yeah.
Some white.
So this is the tree, right?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Some note this a pine. So that one there.
Yeah. So there's information all around. Yeah. The journey continues.
Yeah.
Oh. And now we've just come out the bush and come to this beautiful, beautiful view. So this is the Otley Mountain Nature Loop Trail. Okay, so got a little picnic area, chairs, the cabin over there. Oh, the breeze up here is just so good. Oh my gosh.
Different kind of breeze.
It feels so good. And then you come around and you see all of this. It looks a bit hazy, doesn't it? We'll try and zoom in.
The sun can shine on.
The sunshine, yeah.
It's kind of now. Over the side.
Can you hear the breeze? People, can you hear the breeze?
Oh,
so nice.
Breeze, ever there, sir.
The view. Oh my god.
Yeah, you know, short a breeze up that side there.
Yeah. It's like we're in the clouds.
Come on, you'll sit down for a second.
Or two.
I'm proud of people. I mean, I'm cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm enough food.
Please. Such a nice breeze up here though.
Yeah,
so cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Do you know what, guys? I'm going to be honest. Let me turn the camera. Yes, guys, I was saying, this is not usually the kind of thing I would do, like hiking and walking and stuff. But what I like about this place is, if you go further up in Blue Mountains, you've got some hiking for serious hikers. I'm not a hiker at all. But this place, Hollywell, what I like is that they have different trails for different abilities. So if you just want an easy walk, but still catch the beauty of the views and nature, be at one with nature, then Hollywell's for you.
Good like that.
Yeah, easy trails, hard trails, but it's just so cool and nice, and everywhere you look you're just surrounded by trees and vegetation. Beautiful. And yeah, like I said, they're beautiful. So cool. It's nice. It's very, 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 it's a good experience. Good experience. If you haven't tried Blue Mountain or Holywell Park Tour, try it. You can book it with us, of course we'll take you to datmisehtv Jamaica, promo. But yeah, it's been great so far. Yeah, loved it, loving it.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So Outlaw, with his countryman self, as I like to call him, he's just said to me, yeah, I can't go down there.
Yeah, come. What do that?
That he's seen, what is it, sweet potato and cocoa?
Yeah.
So we're going to look and see.
Sweet potato.
Where's the sweet potato?
Sweet potato.
Oh, is that sweet potato?
This is sweet potato and this is cocoa.
And cocoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is black bourbon cocoa.
Black bourbon cocoa.
Yeah. Got the white one. The white one is minty. This is black bourbon
bourbon cocoa.
Yeah. And
I didn't even know there was different types of cocoa. But
yeah, minty cocoa, man. You have minty cocoa and you have black bourbon cocoa.
and this is sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Okay. Just growing wild.
No, man. People plant them
plant
thing, man.
it.
Yeah, man. People plant them thing,
Cocoa
man.
leaf there.
Yeah, man. Little cocoa, man. You have a bush in one plate. Your plate, man.
Yeah, eat
You
off the
cut
cocoa
one and
leaf.
put out food on that and you stick and choke up something and eat.
Yeah.
Do it yourself.
Outlaw being the man that he is. We're meant to go around this side, okay? Go around the proper steps, not the steps, but the proper pathway. Not Outlaw. Outlaw finds a little hidden track here and says, come, we're going through the bush way.
Push me there. So we are continuing the journey.
Look at this, look what he's taking me through. It's not even a path or anything.
Come.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Just follow me.
Guys, if you can ever see what I'm going through right now.
We'll get back right here. Look up, bro.
Alright, back on track.
Just everything there.
So guys, this is where we're gonna love you and leave you. Can you see we're sat down in the the trunk of the car, the boot of the car. Yes, Hollywell is a good experience. Holywell Park in Blue Mountain, is it Blue Mountain and John Crow Mountains?
Yes, ma'am.
Blue Mountains and John Crow Mountains. It's a good experience. Yeah, definitely great experience. I definitely recommend it. But yeah, we've had a great time.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Just to the word.
Yes. So guys,
For it.
thank you for watching. As usual, please like the video, like the video. Please like the video, give us a thumbs up, share, comment, definitely subscribe, definitely watch a little bit of the ads. And until tomorrow on the next Vlogmas, let me say.
Another prayer.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.